So next topic we'll discuss about dictionary of list. So we recap, we studied about individual data structure. What is dictionary? What is list? Dictionary key value format and list index based mutable structure. Both are collection. So before going to this individual means multidimensional dictionary of list, recap how to write dictionary structure. Dictionary always will be key value format. Here the data are always it's separated by comma and key value separators are it's called colon. Colon is a delimiter. So dictionary means it's a table, hash table structure view. This is one to one style, one single key pointing to one value. Now we know what is list. List is index based. We can take n number of element, n number of different element. It's index based. This is single dimensional of list, single index based, single dimensional structure. Index by index. How to fetch nth index? A list of 0th index or list of nth index. Like this we can use index number. Now to combine these two structure into single dimensional structure, dictionary, it's holding as a key. The key pointing to the values are multiple values. So for example, value 1, say example, I'll take OS name, or you can take server 1. Server 1 is a key, list of value RHEL5, it's value 1, RHEL6, value 2. Like this I can create multiple RHEL7. So one key is called server 1, value is list inside the multiple element. Like this DB is the key inside I can write multiple data, Oracle, SQL, MySQL. Like this I can write multiple data. Now structure point of view, we can check with the type followed by D. Class it says a dictionary. Dictionary means recap the function. What are the list of keys? Two keys, one is server, another one is DB. So input is the dictionary, and what is the key name is called server 1. The value it's called a list. The value is called a DB. Input is DB, the value it's called list. Okay, server 1 it's called a key, list of all the server. DB is the key, list is called value. So we know how to fetch the data from list. Recap single dimensional topic. Same, from list we can fetch nth index of data. Indexing, slicing, all it's possible. So the same style we will combine both. And before that, see the difference, key, colon, value separator. Values are list. We can apply all the list type structure here. List is mutable, addable. I want to append one more new server name. For example, OL7. I want to add OL7 in the server 1 key. Dictionary of server 1, that is key, pointing to the value append. See this D dot append means it's invalid, attribute error. D of server 1 it's called a list. D of server 1, see that input function. Server 1 is called list. So list dot append, this is called anonymous structure, innermost structure. Okay, so D it's a dictionary. Using dictionary we are accessing the server, we are accessing the list. Anonymous structure. Append, I want to add OL7. Now the data will get added where? After this particular element. Okay, like if you want to change it, if you want instead of MySQL I want to write SQLite 3. How to modify it? Dictionary will allow to modify it. List also will allow to modify it. Dictionary of key pointing to nth index, 0th index, first index. This is called value. See the structure, string inside indexing. I want to modify it SQLite 3. This we can change. We can modify the nth data. We can modify the nth data. Now see that previous one and here server 1 it's pointing to the list as a key. Key is a values list. DB is a key, values list. So using list we can add new data, we can modify the nth data, we can delete, all this possible. So how to combine multiple structure from dictionary, how to fetch nth data. I want to print RHEL6 and followed by Oracle. So how to fetch it? So the data structure is multidimensional. Dictionary of outer key, server 1 followed by innermost data. What is innermost data? First index. See that object name followed by string followed by index number. So any in Python, any object variable inside the string itself, that is dictionary of, followed by, you can determine whether it is list or tuple, whatever, that we can check with the type function. So now dictionary of nth index. Now if you want to modify the assignment, we can change. If you want to add new data, dictionary of set default. So that step, set default key 1 followed by value, I'll put on empty list. This is also dictionary of list style structure. Dictionary of list key 1 pointing to the value empty list. How to add the data to the list? The same, dictionary of k1, it's a key, we can put append function, we can put value 1, we'll keep on adding the data like this all the value will be added at the end. If structure is not visible, not readable, remember the module we'll discuss in the last class, pprint, pretty print dot pretty print followed by, we can use input as a structure. It's a dumper view. If any structure is not understandable format, or if it is not visible format, we can use this inbuilt module. It's called a pprint, pretty print dot pretty print. That is module name and function name, both are same. Input is structure, your input structure, so it will print that formatted style, means how the structures are organized. So all this outer square brackets, curly braces, dictionary, it's a key value pair, and see the values are, it's called a list. So this type of structure, dictionary of list, both are mutable. We can add new data as outer key, and we can add new element inside the innermost data. So we can write combination of style, combination structure, dictionary of list view style. Okay, so next class we'll discuss how to combine the dictionary with the tuple. Then we'll move to dictionary with the dictionary style operations. Dictionary of list is more used to structure because both are mutable, flexible to handle. Okay, so this is dictionary of list view concept. So key value. So what we studied, single dimensional, one to one. This is one to many style concept. So next class we'll discuss about the dictionary of tuple. Thank you.